Hi lovelies, welcome back to my page. To my new and old subscribers, you are most welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare my Edikang Ikong soup. For this recipe, I'll be making use of two vegetables, ugu and water leaf. But before then, let me introduce you to the ingredients. I have cow face, beef, stockfish, smoked mackerel fish, crayfish, salt, pepper, onions, seasoning cubes, palm oil, and here is my fresh pumpkin leaf known as ugu. Ugu are edible greenish leaf vegetable. It is filled with a lot of nutrients. Ugu leaves are natural blood tonic. Next, my water leaf. Water leaf is a good source of vitamin A, and this vegetable contains a lot of water and has a lot of nutrients. In a clean and washed pot, I'll be adding in the beef, cow face, stockfish, then add in the salt, season cubes, onions, and add in little water. Set it completely, cover and let it cook. While that is cooking, I'm going ahead to separate the ugu leaf and water leaf from the stem. Once I'm done doing that, I'll go ahead and wash them with salt. If there is any sand, this helps to wash them out well. This is how it looks like after washing them. Next, I'll go ahead to cut the vegetables. Once I'm done cutting them, I will set them aside. Now we are going to check the meat. It is done cooking and the water is almost dry up. Of course, you know Edikang Ikong soup do not require much water. I will be adding in the crayfish, fresh pepper, smoked mackerel fish, palm oil. Give it a complete stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 7 minutes so that the oil can cook properly and the ingredients can mix properly with the meat. Exactly 7 minutes. Open the pot, give it a stir. It is now time for me to add in the vegetable. Firstly, I started by adding in the water leaf. Stir it very well to combine. Next, I added in my ugu leaf. Stir well to combine. Cover it and let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, open the pot and stir it completely. Then it is ready, and turn off your stove. Transfer the vegetables immediately to a container to avoid further cooking and turning out dark brown. I know you don't want that, right? Guys, this soup tastes super delicious and can be served with any swallow of your choice, and also can be eaten with white rice. And that brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to know when a new video is being uploaded. And remain blessed. Bye.